Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Capcut and creating a new project. Import the picture you will edit. Once imported, place the image on the timeline and set duration, shorter for quick clips, longer for slides. Make sure to choose the correct aspect ratio for where you'll publish, because cropping happens later. Use zoom and position controls now to establish composition. This saves time when you add effects, so your framing stays consistent through downstream edits. Next, refine the image. Use adjust controls to correct exposure, contrast, and color. Small changes avoid posterization. Then apply a filter or imported LUT and reduce its strength so the look remains natural. Use crop and rotate to clean edges and add keyframes to scale or pan for motion. This creates dynamic interest. Make sure to preview at full resolution. Compressed previews can hide banding or aliasing that appears after export. Finally, export with the correct resolution and bitrate for your platform. Higher bitrate preserves detail for stills inside videos. Once exported, inspect the final frame for compression artifacts or color shifts, and if you see issues, go back and re-edit. For troubleshooting, reduce heavy sharpening or lower export bitrate slightly and re-export. Alternatively, export a lossless intermediate if artifacts persist. Make sure you save project presets so you can replicate success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.